Our homes, our cities, our industry, they all depend on electric power. Power grids are vital. However, in order to function properly, they need constant monitoring, specialized equipment, and personnel, all of which raise the cost of inspections significantly. Maintaining power grids requires innovative solutions. Artificial intelligence, data interpretation, and the use of unmanned drones are the future of this industry. Welcome to EGI, Electrical Grid Intelligence. EGI is an intelligent platform capable of interpreting more than 500,000 images per hour when searching for possible flaws. The platform's intelligent engine performs real-time information analysis while constantly learning and feeding its database, with the purpose of optimizing its predictive model. The future of electric power lies in the power of information. EGI, Electrical Grid Intelligence.